Hi, I'm Marilena Rossano. I trust our research.
Hi, my name is Marisa Saponaro and I am Italian.
Hi everyone, I am Ankit Verma from India.
Good morning friends, I am Henu Kumar Verma.
My name is Jamal Naderi, I come from Iran.
Hi, my name is Miguel Moreira and I'm from Portugal.
Hi, I'm Jwala Sivakumar from India.
Hello everybody, my name is Ahmed Sharqawi from Alexandria, Egypt.
Hi, I'm Varsha Pundi Krishnan, third year PhD fellow in the INSETD PhD program.
Hi, my name is Chetan Dakan. I am from India.
I'm Ishini from Taiwan.
Hi, I'm Nicola Mondillo from Naples, Italy, and I am a researcher.
My name is Molly Pither, and I'm from the United Kingdom. I'm a researcher.
I work at the Institute of Biomolecular Chemistry in Pozzuoli, Naples.
Currently, I'm a PhD student at University of Luigi Vanvitelli.
I have been working as a first stage researcher at the Institute of Experimental Endocrinology and Oncology, National Research Council of Italy.
I am a PhD candidate of molecular bioscience at the University of Campania.
I work at Institute of Genetic and Biophysics of CNR.
I'm currently doing my PhD in chemistry here in Naples at the University of Federico II.
For me, science is to be passionate, also to be very curious, and finally also to be very patient.
For me, research is a creation of new knowledge.
For me, research is crucial for the advancement of the world, and more than ever should play a central role in modern life.
Scientific research is always my passion, which allows me to learn something new every day.
For me, research is a great passion which I always followed since I graduated in 2010 and until now.
A number of our projects were intended towards developing novel markers, therapeutic targets, treatments and technologies.
For me, the passion for research started right from the beginning of my high school.
For me, research is the future.
For me, research is discovery while learning.
Being a Marie Curie researcher in my own country was one of the greatest experiences in my life. It gives you the right attitude to be a scientist. It's very helpful to overcome all the scientific troubles and problems that you encounter during your project and to bring forward your project as well.
The PhD in Italy has given me an opportunity, an initial platform to understand how the research work should be carried out. I also got an opportunity to work with an experienced and enthusiastic PhD supervisor to learn about other culture.
I feel that this fellowship will give me a very good opportunity in with best of my knowledge, and this platform will give me the opportunity to move around the world and increase the learning capability during my Marie Curie fellowship. I learn how to use new technology and how this technology can impact our life.
These courses open the windows to see opportunities that I have in future.
Being a part of the Marie Curie framework allowed me to be involved in a very comprehensive program that provided scientific training related to research.
The most prestigious Marie Curie Fellowship under the INSEPID program offered me an opportunity to pursue a world-class research with excellent training opportunities. This can in fact make a real challenge to the contribution of the knowledge irrespective of the nationality.
Thanks to the general funding from the Marie Curie Fellowship, I was able to follow this passion into this stage. Without this opportunity, I wouldn't be here today.
To not stop at academic development, we also learned how to effectively communicate our ideas and innovations to the public, to investors and industry personnel.
During my time here as a Marie Curie Fellowship, I learned how new things and technologies can impact upon everyday life through innovation and entrepreneurship.
It becomes very easy to collaborate with other labs in Europe. As an international student in Italy, I also met people from different countries including India, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, American and so on.
Marie Curie allowed me to be what I am now, a tenure-track researcher at the University of Naples. Without that experience, probably I would not be here.
This PhD has really developed me not only as a scientist, but also has given me skills that I think will be transferable to the future.
Hi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you once again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I would like to immensely thank Marie Curie Actions, not just for giving me the opportunity to finish my PhD here, but also to give the opportunity to explore and live in a very beautiful, great and historical city of Naples. Thank you so much.
I believe in cooperation among countries, among different institutions such as the Italian National Research Council, the University of Naples Federico II, the University of Campania Luigi Vanvitelli, collaboration among academy, industry, research. I trust on Europe and on opportunities that the European Commission can give us. I trust on solidarity and youth. I believe in future.